Okay, so let's take this in pieces. We're going to multiply 4/5 times 10y. So 4 over 5 times 10 over 1 gives you 40 over 5. And 40 divided by 5 gives you 8. Now, we also need to bring the y along, so we'll have an 8y down here. Okay, so for the second part, and I'll do this one in a different color, we're going to do 4/5 times negative x. Now, you might remember from the last problem, if you put a 1 in front of that x, it makes your life a lot easier. So we're going to have 4/5 times a negative 1 over 1, which gives you negative 4/5 x. So I'm going to write minus 4/5 x. And then finally, we're going to do 4/5 times negative 15. So I'll do that right here. 4/5 times a negative 15 over 1. So you end up with negative 60 over 5. Or, if you reduce that, that equals negative 12. So negative 12. Now I put this all in different colors here, so let's put it all in one color. 8y minus 4/5 x minus 12. And that is your answer.